We are on the not so party bus on our way to the National Fitness Games where we are about to compete. Team Locksmith is that place! Yes! Welcome back to They Call Me Locksmith, and we are here in Loughborough University for the National Fitness Games. Come with me. As an ambassador for the National Fitness Games, they have so kindly roped me into competing, where they've given me 3 teams. Within each team, you've got 4 members, 2 girls and 2 boys. And we are competing here at the National Fitness Games. These teams are representing me, Team Locksmith. Let's get to it.
Big man. Mate, I am buzzing. I can't wait to see this guy put some fitness down. He used to carry me around the football pitch when we were teenagers. He was like the fittest boy on the team. Now I feel like the tables might have turned a little bit, but we'll see. I don't know.
He could well be right. We're about to start our first comp for the National Fitness Games. I'm very nervous. I've never done nothing like this before, but as you know, I love to jump out my comfort zone and jump straight in. Here we go.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. Each and one of you. Okay. 6 months of hard work. Non-sleeping, waking up at 3, your belly hurting after day. In the hands, everyone. Locksmith on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Locksmith! Missed out a few words, but I will take that. So what's the plan here? What are we doing?
500 metres on a watt bike.
Yeah.
It's got to be fast,
right.
All out.
So wait, are you doing 500 and I'm doing 500?
Both got to do it. I do it,
yeah.
Then I'm going to sprint to that wall over there, do 5
I'm not
burpees.
sharing the 500.
No, you've got to do your own burpees. Then
right.
Once I've done my burpees,
yeah.
you do your 500 metres on a watt bike, then you run and do burpees. It's like a relay.
Okay.
And then the next round is thrusters, like there's loads of different movements in there. Basically, I'll go first, you copy what I do.
Perfect. That's all I need. Alright, because I forgot the first thing you said. Big up the Locksmith.
Breathe through it. Nice, Lockie, hold on, brother.
Go.
Straight, mate. 3.
Let's go. Black. Come on, you got it. 10.
I'm not exaggerating, that's one of the worst workouts I've ever done.
Second comp, I feel like shit, but we're gonna go through it. We're gonna kick it. But you know what? We've got the first one out of the way. I'm feeling a little bit more confident. My team are full of absolute warriors. Have a look.
Oh, so worried.
And they're carrying me. They are carrying me. I think I'm warming up, but you know what? This competition, National Fitness Games, humbles you very quickly. I'm humbled. I'm humbled.
That was really fun.
There was way more teamwork in that one. Lots more comms. like bobbing and weaving. I feel like we did well. Yes, brother.
How you get on?
You surviving?
Oh mate, just about.
Yeah?
Fucking hell.
Been busy?
All that deep dark holes. I'm not doing this again. What are you going to do, bro?
What are you doing, individual team?
No, I've got a team, so they're helping me, they're carrying me along.
Oh mate, smashing it, smashing
It's
it.
fun though. Third comp done. My team's amazing. All of my teams. I'll tell you what, the levels here, second to none. Whew. Alright, last exercise. I'm fucked. What the fuck is this shit? What is this? I'm a rock star. No, I'm joking. I'm actually really excited to actually have got through all this. That's my diplomatic answer. I'm never doing this again. I'm going through a whirlwind of emotions.
He loves it. He's lying. He loves it. He's buzzing. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 15.
You get the nerves. Right, that concludes this episode. I'm out here at the National Fitness Games. I've enjoyed it thoroughly. It's been hard, but that's what it's all about. Jumping out your comfort zone. So if you enjoyed what I've done today, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the flip. I need a cold bar. Hot bar. Cold bar. Hot bar.